It is Melissa. Welcome back to another video. It's been a long time since I've been here, but I have something that I think is really valuable to share with you today. So this is going to be a really quick and easy video, and this one's going to be one that is particularly for my fine and thin hair girlies. I have finally at last, after 37 years of being on this planet, found a protective style to wear at night while I am sleeping. If you have fine and thin or fine or thin hair, then you know that if you braid it at night, if you put it up in a high ponytail, if you do even the little twist, to try to do a protective hairstyle, when you wake up in the morning, it's going to be all crinkly and crimpy, and you're going to have to put heat on it. I have to put heat on my hair every single day almost for it to look decent for me to go to work and go out in public. That's just like a thin hair struggle. However you lay on your hair, it's literally going to get a bend in it, and you can't work with it. So I have some damage here going on my hair from bleach. It's not horrible, but I mean, it's bleach, and I'm trying to have healthy hair. So I've been doing all the things, all the hair products, and I can share those with you too. I actually just cut my hair because I felt like it needed it, but I am still growing it out. But I wanted to come on here and share with you how I've been wearing my hair at night. Now, this ain't cute. This ain't real cute. So if you're trying to impress your man that night, this might not be the night you want to try this out. You know what I mean? Try it out after he goes to bed, okay? If you're ashamed. It's super easy. You don't need any crazy tools or anything. So what you do is before you go to bed at night, okay, so let's just say last night I just dried my hair with a hairdryer, and then I put it in this style, and then I went to bed, woke up, and my hair was fabulous this morning. I mean, this is the hair I've had all day long, which ain't terrible. But I mean, it could be better, obviously. But I've been working all day. I've been whatever. But it had volume today. I did not have to put heat on it, which is huge, huge thing for me as someone who puts heat on my hair literally almost every single day. I did not have to. The only thing I had to do was take it down and brush it. I put a little oil in it because, like I said, she's a little damaged. But I'm going to show you guys what I do. It ain't cute. And I look like a who when I went to the school bus and everything. But all you need is, okay, first of all, you need a scrunchie or a hair bow that's more protective. This is just all that I have upstairs with me right now. My bathroom that I get ready in is downstairs. So this is the only hair tie I have right now. But if you can use a scrunchie or something that is not as elastic-ish, you're not going to have any of those bumps and lumps in your hair like I was talking about. But all you're going to need is a hair tie, your scrunchie, and either a bobby pin, or I use this alligator thing that came with some of my hair extensions that I used to have. But a bobby pin will work just as well. And then I just use one roller. If you have a bigger one, that's great. If you have more hair than me, you still have thin and fine hair, but even more hair than me, you could do two of them, or you can do one of those really big ones. In fact, you do not even have to have a roller at all. Anything round will work, the center of your toilet paper or paper towel rolls, that will literally work as well. That's all you need, these three things. Your hair is already dry. This is not putting it up wet. Your hair is already dry. It's already, you've already had your blowout, how you want it to look. And here's what you do, okay? Easy peasy. So you bring all of your hair to the top of your head, to the front, and just put it in a ponytail. Cute, right? Maybe even closer to the front if you can. All right, and then you just take your ponytail and your roller, and you literally just roll it up. And like I said, if you have more hair than me, you might want to do two. You could just do two, one on each side or whatever. And then I just do like this, and it holds it literally all night long. And that's how I sleep. Well, that's kind of heavy. Let's do, because I usually put it on the bottom, and I didn't. I can't see you guys. I don't have my glasses on right now, so I literally can't even see myself in the screen, really. Okay, that's literally how I sleep. It looks so ugly. But when you wake up, I'm not kidding, after you sleep on this hairstyle, I still sleep on my silk pillowcase, so do that too if you're on a hair journey. But when I wake up and I take this out, it just literally has like so much volume and bounce, and there's like no creases and bumps. However, if you do find that you have creases and bumps, you can then take, like, wet your brush a little bit and kind of just comb over just where the lumps or bumps are. Or you can do the flat iron if you want to get those out, as long as you're not putting that heat on your ends. That's my biggest problem, heat on the ends. But yeah, this is how I sleep. And it came out fabulous. I put it on Instagram, and everybody was like, oh my God, your hair looks so good. So I was like, dude, I'm totally going to show this to everyone. So now I'm going to go film a reel of this for Instagram so the girlies over there can see it. Okay, that's all you do. That's all you do. And then in the morning, boom, unroll it, take it out. Oh yeah, I have a bobby pin in there. And brush it. And it looks so good in the morning. Of course, I didn't leave it in there, like, obviously right now, but looks so good. And I just put a little oil in it because mine's dry, but that's it. I hope you guys try it. Let me know down in the comments if you try it and if it works for you. If you try it and it doesn't work for you. If you have a different kind of protective style that you wear at night and you have thin and fine hair. If you have thick hair, I cannot tell you this enough. We are not the same. You can wear a hair bow however long you want. I can wear this hair bow in my hair in a ponytail for 25 minutes. And if I take it out, I'm going to have a big lumpy bump in my back. Okay. We are not the same. My camera's down, so I gotta go. Love you guys so much. Let me know if you try it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.